In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a table in Microsoft Word. This process is straightforward, but there are plenty of details that can help you make the most of this feature. Whether you're organizing data or creating a professional-looking document, tables can be a valuable part of your toolkit. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is open your Microsoft Word document. Make sure you have the file open where you'd like to add a table. Remember, this can be done in any Word document, whether you're starting from scratch or adding to an existing file. It's a great way to add a structured format to your text-heavy documents. Now, once your document is open, look to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab is key for adding various elements to your document, whether that's images, shapes, or in this case, tables. Clicking Insert changes the options displayed in the toolbar, showing you a range of things you can add to your document. Now let's focus on inserting the table. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll want to find and click on the Table option. A grid will appear, allowing you to select the number of rows and columns you want in your table. For this example, we're going to create a 7x7 table. Simply hover over the grid, selecting up to 7 squares across and 7 squares down. Once you do that, it'll instantly create a table with 7 columns and 7 rows in your document. Once your table is in the document, you may want to adjust its appearance to suit your needs. To do this, click on the Design tab that appears once you've inserted the table. This tab offers various styling options that let you add a bit of flair to the table's appearance. You can try different colors, shading, and border styles until you find a design that fits your document's aesthetic. Now let's pivot slightly to look at the Layout tab. Click on this tab and you'll see options that allow you to manipulate the table structure more precisely. This includes options for deleting or inserting rows and columns, splitting cells, and changing the height and width of your cells. It's very flexible and offers precise control, making it simple to adjust your table to your exact needs. You can even use the Auto Fit feature to ensure the text fits neatly within the cells. And there you have it. You've learned the basics of inserting and customizing a table in Microsoft Word. With these tools at your disposal, you can organize text and data in a way that's clean, professional, and effective. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident in using tables within your documents. Thank you for watching and happy editing.